How to transfer money from WhatsApp to GCash. Hey everyone, today we are going to walk you through a simple and efficient way to transfer money from your WhatsApp directly to your GCash wallet. Whether you are sending money to family, paying bills, or just moving your funds, this step-by-step guide will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp and log in. Once you are in, you will see your balance. To start the transfer, tap the send button. Now, you will need to select the currency you want to send from. If you have multiple balances, choose the right one, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Wise will show you the current exchange rate, the fees, and the estimated amounts your recipients will receive in Philippines pesos. Next, you will need to choose who you are sending money to. Since you are sending to a GCash account, tap someone else. Then tap add recipient. You will see different options, but we need to choose e-wallet. Here, you will need to enter the recipient's full name just as it appears on their GCash account. For the wallet provider, select GCash. Now enter the recipient's GCash mobile number, which is their e-wallet number. Double check that all the information is correct. Before you finalize the transfer, take a moment to review all the details. You will also see a breakdown of the fees and exchange rate. If everything looks good, tap confirm. Now you will be prompted to choose your payment method. You can use your Wise balance, a bank transfer, or a debit card. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Once the payment is processed, you can track the transfer in the transaction section of your Wise app. Usually, the transfer should arrive in the recipient's GCash account within minutes to a few hours, depending on the current processing limit. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from your WhatsApp to GCash. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to send money across borders. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.